I love when packages get here on wash day because girl, look. It's so bad. I get to try new products I never tried before. It makes it just so much more fun. And I can make a video about it to tell you. Today, we got the Garnier Fructis hair filler. Us curly people have been sleeping on Garnier. I've been in love with their curly conditioner. It's amazing. It makes my hair feel great. I'm really excited about what's in here. So let's open it up and see what we got. Because your girl needs a wash and it needs it today. Open it and see. Ta-da! Oh, can't really see. Reverse up to 1 year of visible damage in one use. That's a big promise, Garnier, and I'm gonna hold you to it. We got, ooh! They understand us curly people because they included a gel in here, and you know, it's so hard to find a good gel, and especially a gel that would give you benefits while using it. This one has hyaluronic acid, citric acid, and repair care complex. It's like a hair treatment, but a gel. Yes, please. Maybe I should adjust my camera. Okay, so we have step 1. This is inner fiber repair treatment, and you rinse it out. You start with this. Apply bonding inner fiber repair treatment to wet hair. Leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. That's easy enough. Sometimes I want to do treatments, but I hate that I have to leave them on for 20-30 minutes. I don't got time for that. Next one is hair filler and hyaluronic acid shampoo. Same as the conditioner. It's a serum. Oh, system for curls, waves, and inner fiber repair. This is especially for curls and waves. Very excited about this gel, hyaluronic acid. This sounds so hydrating because we all know what hyaluronic acid does for the skin. I've never used it for the hair. Let's see what it does. I'm very excited. I'm hopping in the shower right now. Sure I didn't miss anything else. Oh, I did! And a scalp massager. I love scalp massagers. If you don't use these, what are you doing? Those are the best to make sure all the buildup is out of your hair, and it increases blood flow to your scalp. So that makes your hair healthier because it's bringing all the nutrition to your hair follicles. So your hair is gonna grow thicker and better in every way. I'm going to use this to style it with the gel that Garnier got me. Let's go. My Detangle brush because it's very flexible, so it won't tug on my hair or break it. It would just glide through it. My hair feels so soft right now. It feels much softer than what we started with. It's shampoo. By the way, it smells amazing. Oh, it's very liquidy. It's slipping off my head. Creates a lot of bubbles, but it feels very smooth, like moisturizing. It's crazy. You just massage the scalp with it. And I just let it run through the rest of my hair. So for this shampoo, I think a little bit goes a long way. I poured too much. My hair got really foamy. Now it's left with a little bit more squeaky than earlier. It still feels pretty soft. It's not too squeaky. Let's see how this is. Oh, it's nice and thick. I love that. Don't give me watery conditioner. I need it to be thick because that means it's very concentrated. Look how it's like a lotion. Super thick. I'm very generous with my products because I only wash my hair once a week. I'm gonna give it all the products that it needs so it can make it last. I want every single strand to have all of the products. I do make sure that I rinse it very well. Oh, this is very hard to get out. Garnier, maybe put it in the pump. Detangle. Oh, this has amazing slip. Look. My girls are loving this. It feels so hydrated. Oh, this feels amazing on the hair. Feels very thick, very slippery, that it's not falling off the hair. I concentrate on the bottom, and then as I'm detangling, my brush is gonna bring it back up. The bottom is the driest part of your hair because it's the oldest. It's been here for a while, so it needs the most care, especially if you're trying to grow your hair long. See, my hair got pretty tangled with the shampoo. This is gonna make sure it's untangled, so it's ready for styling. Having the hair detangled before, using your styling brush is so important because a styling brush is hard, so it can really break your hair if it's tangled up. Always detangle it with a very flexible brush like this. This is my favorite brush in the world. My hair feels so soft, I just want to keep brushing it because it feels so smooth, like silk. Some more of these, which is fine. I brush my hair once a week and you lose about 100 hair per day. So if you don't get the hair out every day, then you're gonna end up with 700 hairs coming out of your hair at the end. So don't worry, it's all good. Just this natural cycle. Rinse with cold water to seal it all in. This part smells fun. This is the conditioner I've been in love with. It's the Curl Nurish conditioner. It's very affordable. It's like $3 or $4. Very thick and it makes my hair very hydrated. Don't sleep on Garnier. I know drugstore shampoo and conditioner are frowned upon, but they're stepping their game up. Give them another chance. As you can tell, I have every conditioner on this planet, but yet I have this in my shower. That should tell you something. And I'm not getting paid. I did get the PR package, and that's it. So many products that I bought out of my own pocket, from people recommending it, and then realizing after they recommended it that they were paid to say what they said, and the product didn't live up to the promises. So I won't be doing that. I will always be telling you the absolute truth behind all these products. We need to de-influence the world and tell the truth. Okay? Now I'm gonna get out and run to get my hair styled because I need to get it styled while it's soaking wet. I can do it here in the shower, but I wanna show you the entire process so I can show you my entire hair here. It's getting very long, so shower recordings have been harder because I don't wanna be naked. See ya. We're gonna start with hair filler and Hyaluronic Moisture Repair Serum. Apply serum to dry or damp hair. Do not rinse. I'm gonna apply it, focusing on my ends first. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like oranges, like delicious oranges. This on the other half. This doesn't give you the texture satisfaction, you know, when you put it in a good leave-in conditioner. This kind of just quickly absorbs into your hair. That's how it feels. Maybe that's a good thing. That way it doesn't just sit on top. This looks promising because it has what you need. It's made out of wood. It has the stiff back and the very flexible, whatever these are called. Apply to damp or dry hair, distribute evenly, root to tip with fingers or comb. Twist curls around fingers for maximum curl definition. Ooh, they know our language. Okay, it's pretty thick and it's creamy. It's not like a clear gel. Ooh, it has amazing slip. I need the gel to have a great slip. When I use the brush, I need it to just glide through. Oh. I feel like I might need a little bit more. You can still see frizzies, and if it looks frizzy wet, it's gonna be frizzy dry. Maybe I should compare this brush with my regular diamond brush. Is it the brush or is it the gel? We need to find out. Definitely the gel. I'm used to thicker gels. This has kind of a very light texture to it. Light gels could make me nervous because my hair is very thick. So if you have lighter, thinner type hair, then lighter gels are the best. They won't weigh your hair down. Maybe I should add these into my sections. Let's do that. Because usually I do it in 2 steps. I add my leave-in conditioner. So this one is acting as a leave-in conditioner. I really need a trim, which I'm getting on Friday. Okay, and I'm gonna add my gel. Technique is more important than the tools you have. You can do this with a regular brush. As long as you're following the right technique, you will have similar results. You can't go and buy a $25 brush, for example, because things can be really expensive. Start with your own brush. It's fine. You can start with the regular brush. Do the same technique. So apply your leave-in conditioner, apply your gel, as long as your hair detangled and your hair is soaking wet. Grab your brush, put it in, and then you're smoothing your hair in the back of the brush. That's what's gonna clump your curls together. So you can do this with any brush. Figuring out the right products that your hair needs because every hair is different. Your results are gonna be similar. You go somewhere and you don't have your diamond brush, don't panic, but it's easier to hold. See? This is easier. And I want my life to be as easy as possible with my hair. I can live my life. I only do my hair like this, 15 minutes once a week. It lasts me all week. No refresh needed or minimal refresh. I have a video on that, how to refresh without using water, because if you're gonna wet your hair all over again, that's not a refresh. I'd rather jump in the shower and wash my hair all over again. It's easier to wet my hair in the shower than to use a spray bottle and try to wet every section. That takes forever. I'll just go wash my hair and start over, and my hair is gonna last longer. Now I'm starting with clean hair. So I'm gonna spend 30 minutes refreshing my hair. I can just hop in the shower, wash, spend 15 minutes styling it. That's also 30 minutes. I end up with day one hair. If I have to do that in the middle of the week, I just opt out of the shampoo. I wash my hair with conditioner. So it's a one-step wash, because you only need to shampoo your hair once a week. Style it, and boom. So you do it in the shower, it takes less. So condition, detangle while you're conditioning, put on your products in the shower, style it. The whole thing takes 15 minutes. And now you have hair that's gonna last you like 7 days. You know, I spent all my life straightening my hair. Straightening it alone will take me an hour and a half or 2. And then every morning I have to touch it up, which takes me 30 minutes at least. No, it's too much time. I ain't got time for that. And what am I doing? Just damaging my hair. Just trying to tame my curls, as they say, as I heard throughout my whole life. Because apparently straight hair is prettier than curly hair. I respectfully disagree. Don't get me wrong. If your natural hair is straight, it's beautiful. I've dreamt of having natural straight hair all my life. If your natural hair is curly, it's beautiful. Every single hair type is beautiful. Don't try to change it. Try to embrace it and make it the best it can look. Now, if you're just barely starting your journey, it might feel like it's gonna be eternity until you start seeing the results that you want. But I promise you, in 6 months, you will have your curls back. Follow the steps. You will be freed forever from the straightener and from spending hours and hours a week tending to your hair. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna find a whole new way to love yourself, and you're gonna be so unique. I can't tell you how many compliments I get from girls saying they have straight hair and they say, "Oh, my hair is naturally curly, but I straighten every day. Your hair looks so beautiful. I wish my hair would look like that." Well, guess what? Your hair can look like that. Can look like that. And I always want to say, you know what? Let's go. Let me do your hair, because I'm gonna show you what your hair can do. But I realize that can be creepy sometimes, especially if it's just a stranger. Come on, get in my bathroom so I can do your hair, girl. Would you call the police if I told you that? Let me wash your hair. Let me show you what your hair can do. You will never go back to that stupid straightener. You spend time damaging your hair. Why did we do that? I'm not judging you. I'm judging myself. Why did I do that? Why did I spend all that time damaging myself instead of spending all that time improving myself? Well, now I'm mature, and now I learned my lesson. If I'm gonna spend an hour doing my hair, I'm deep conditioning it, I'm bond building it, I'm giving it all the treatments it wants instead of spending hours burning it. So that really feels like self-care. Now we're done. See some frizzies up here, so I'm just gonna add some more gel and smooth it in. My hair feels very light. You have to hear it doing this. See that noise? That means you applied enough products and water. Alright. I predict pillowy, soft curls with lots and lots of volume, not lots of frizz. Let's see if I'm right. And I was right about my prediction. I did get a lot of volume, not too much frizz. I wish you could touch it because it feels so soft and amazing. It's not tight and coily as I usually like it. I would need a stronger gel that has a better hold to do that. But I love changing up the way my curls look. It gives me different looks every time. So this is perfectly great. My God, I just wish you could touch it because it feels so soft. They're like the definition of pillowy curls. It didn't dry with any cast, so there was no cast for me to break. For me, usually the cast is what makes it last longer. So I'm going to see how long it's gonna last, and I will update. If you wanna learn about my technique of how I get my curls to look this way, I did a whole video about it before. Check it out. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this Garnier new product and if you would try it. See you next time.